Hello children, how are you? I hope you all are doing good. Today I am your teacher and my name is Radhika. We are starting a chapter today that name is Symbolic Birds. So here birds are different from all other animals of the world. So their bodies are covered with feathers and except for the legs and feet. Legs और feet को छोड़ के बाकी सारी जगह feathers होते हैं and which are scaly. और legs और feet कैसी होती हैं birds की scaly. So their forelimbs are converted into wings और इनके forelimbs जो हैं वो किस में convert हो जाते हैं wings में. Since ancient times many birds have been considered as symbols and here are some important birds from different parts of the world. Read the helps and fill in the blank. The first one is dash are held in high esteemed all over Asia and adored as symbol of long life. जो कि long life का symbol जो है वो consider किया जाता है that are cranes. So write down here cranes. Second is dash are considered as symbol of good luck. Good luck का symbol है ये. According to folklore, they are supposed to deliver babies. So that is the second number is storks. STORKS. Next is dash is a fabulous mythical bird that symbolizes immortality. It is believed that it dies in fire and rises again from its ash. यानी फायर में ही डाई हो जाता है और उसके ऐश से ही रीबॉर्न हो जाता है. So that is phoenix. PHOENIX. Next is dash are a symbol of love and peace. It is believed that if somebody dreams of them, he or she is sure to get happiness. यानी अगर सपने में भी दिख जाए तो भी लोगों को क्या मिलती है? खुशियाँ, happiness मिलती है. So that is doves. DOVES. Okay. So come to the next. Dash are loved all over Europe. They herald spring and many poems have been written in praise of it. They are also considered as omens of a happy marriage. That are cuckoos जिसके ऊपर बहुत सारी कविताएं भी लिखी हुई हैं. So write down here cuckoos. CUCKOOS. Next is dash are said to predict disease and death. According to folklore, its sense of smell is so intense and powerful that it can smell death even before it comes. No one ever wants to see it fly over his house. कोई भी उसको अपने हाउस पर फ्लाई होते हुए नहीं देखना चाहता और ऐसा कहा जाता है डेथ आने से पहले ही उसको डेथ का पता लग जाता है. So that is ravens. RAVENS. Okay. So according to tidbits, that is eagles are revered as sacred birds by the native of America. America के लोग उसको sacred bird मानते हैं and they believe that the claws and bones of the bird drive away illness. And the bald eagle is the symbol of USA and stands for endurance, independence and courage. So बच्चे, this is the chapter. I hope you have understood the chapter. You have to read it once again and do the exercise yourself.